Hey there, history buffs! Today we're diving into the legend of ChiYou, the legendary Hmong king whose story is as epic as it is ancient. Strap in because this tale is packed with battles, myths, and a legacy that echoes through time. ChiYou, often hailed as the god of war in Chinese mythology, was a mighty leader of the Hmong people. His era dates back over 4,000 years, around the time of the 3 sovereigns and 5 emperors in ancient China. Known for his incredible strength and unyielding spirit, ChiYou led his people with a mix of wisdom and ferocity. Legend has it that ChiYou possessed a bronze head with metal horns and was invincible in battle. He commanded an army of 81 brothers, all fierce warriors, and had the loyalty of many tribes. But his most famous conflict was against the Yellow Emperor, Huabtais. The battle at Zhuolu is where ChiYou's legend truly shines. It was a clash of titans, with both sides wielding powerful magic and advanced weaponry for their time. ChiYou summoned a dense fog to confuse Huabtais' troops, but Huabtais ingeniously invented the south-pointing chariot to navigate through it. Despite his cunning strategies, ChiYou was eventually captured and executed. His defeat marked a pivotal moment in Chinese history, symbolizing the unification of tribes under the Yellow Emperor's rule. But what happened to ChiYou's descendants? After his fall, the Hmong people dispersed, migrating across China and Southeast Asia. They carried with them the stories and traditions of their mighty leader, preserving his legacy through oral histories, rituals, and cultural practices. Even today, the Hmong community honors ChiYou through festivals and ceremonies, remembering him as a symbol of resilience and strength. ChiYou's influence didn't stop there. His story has been woven into the fabric of Chinese culture, inspiring countless tales, artworks, and even modern media. The legend of ChiYou is a testament to the enduring power of myth and the profound impact of a leader's legacy on their people. So, next time you hear about ancient Chinese legends, remember ChiYou, the Hmong king whose spirit continues to live on. If you enjoyed this dive into history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating tales from the past. Thanks for watching.